Welcome back to the Farm Kid. We finished our wheat harvest, so now we are going to be picking up bales from the wheat. We have some round bales, but it's mostly square bales. This wagon here is almost full, so we got the other tractor with the wagon. We're gonna put one of the wagons of straw back here in this shed. One of the tractors that we were using stopped working, so we're gonna use this big one to pull a wagon. First, we have to take the cultivator off the tractor before we can hook a trailer up to it. This is the tractor that stopped working. We think it was the starter, but we're gonna use this tractor here and pull the tractor that's not working away from the trailer. Possible. Using the tractor to pull this trailer here. We're gonna wait till tomorrow to put the bales away in the barn that they're gonna go into. So we're just gonna back the trailers into the sheds. And then we got this one pulled into here. We don't want the straw to get wet, because then when it goes into storage, it'll just mold and rot. We got our straw put in the shed, so this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching.